Hello everyone, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will discussing about how to program save means one video file save into the uh, AV file. So it is very simple and use the platform of the Python and OpenCV. So video using with OpenCV, you can see the two libraries, just time span and so you can see here some discussion. Uh, OpenCV is the open source most of the popular computer vision library that contain several computer vision algorithms. You can read out the display, write, and doing a lot of operations on images and videos using OpenCV. The OpenCV module generally in popular programming, just like C++, Python, Java, and so on. It is very basic algorithm of the save the video file. I think it is very huge discussion. Just creating an object read, just to mention your camera. We need to initialize camera, then you can open your one logic, it's open or not open. You can set your resolution, so then resolution after sizing it store a framework file name is say AVI. So one loop can again repeated write a frame into video file. After video file convert into the save into just like a file name AVI. Press Q button, you can see the quiet of the stop the process and break the loop. After break the loop, when everyone done releasing the video, and so let's start. Print the video will be successfully installed. Here cd desktop, cd Pyresearch, our folder is the Pyresearch. Okay, you can see the one video capturing file. We are using Python 3.8 version, just Python video.py. You can see the one video file will be captured. Here press the Q button and you can see the one video file will be saved. I think it is not discussed in this video. We are going to the simple algorithm of the recording of the with the OpenCV, means we are capturing a lot of data in video format, and inshallah will surprising soon. And we are targeting the YOLO V7 and MediaWP algorithms for the train on models. It is very basic theory of the video saving algorithm. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.